Hi guys, gals and non-binary pals, and welcome back to my channel. So I realised that I haven't done a video in a little while and I feel like I need to explain why. But whilst doing that, I figured my brushes need cleaning desperately, and I've seen a few hacks online on TikTok and all these other places on how to get the spotless brush or the spotless beauty blender, and I thought it'd be really cool to try out these hacks with you guys, see if they work, whilst also just having like a really informal chill chat. So informal that I literally look at me, but I figured that I need to do a video, and I normally would try and make a bit of an effort with my presentation, and I'd put some makeup on and put some nice, some like general clothes on, more than just like my boyfriend's jumper. But I thought I cannot be asked to do that today, and I don't know when I will be asked to do that, to be honest. I'm so tired. So I need to get some content out for you guys. I really want to get some content out for you guys, so I'm just gonna have to slum it. You're just gonna have to put up with me with no makeup on, in my boyfriend's jumper, in a messy room, and just being real. So yes, we're gonna do some hacks on cleaning my brushes today and my beauty blenders, whilst just having a chit chat and just having a catch up, finding out why it's been, I think, 2 weeks maybe since I've not uploaded a video, and just all the crazy stuff that's happened over those 2 weeks. Not very crazy because, you know, we're in quarantine, but still. Yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to start with beauty blenders. I have two, mainly because I used this one, it got dirty and didn't wash it, so just started using another one. Not sure I'm going to go back to this one because it's been a while, but oh wow, okay, my light just got seriously bright there. Blinded. So we're going to try these hacks, and I'm sure by now some of you must have seen them, and it's putting, I've been wanting to do this for so long, but it's putting your beauty blender in the microwave. So I did a little bit of research to find out, you know, is it safe, and do I want to put this beauty blender back on my face once it's been in the microwave? But it says that there's findings from universities that back up the claim that the microwave kills the bacteria so that the blender is clean from inside out. So I guess, you know, it cleans it, and it's also quite hygienic, it kills the bacteria, so I'm all for it. What I usually clean most of my brushes and things with, this is a brush cleansing gel. Okay, so I've turned the brightness down so it's not so blinding. This is the kind of cleansing soap that I usually use to clean my brushes. So the plan is, I was going to get 2 beauty blenders, 2 bowls, 2 bowls, and they're both pretty equal in their dirtiness. They look quite clean on this light because it's very flattering. Stick those in there, and then my plan was, I have them not upstairs again. Okay, I'm back and steady. So the plan was to use with one of my beauty blenders this and this fun little gadget you get with it, which is has this little grip for your hand, and it's just got little groovy bits on there. So it's mainly for brushes, to really kind of get all into the brush, but I'm going to use it with my beauty blender. So, and then the one that's going in the microwave, I'm going to add some wash nut liquid. I got some berry, clearly been in my cupboard for a while because it's festive pomegranate, so that's clearly from Christmas. Mum likes the stockpile. So I'm going to put a splash of this. I don't know how much, but just gonna, I think that looks good. Okay, here we'll be ready. Ooh, bubbles! I'm going to do this one first. So I'm just going to get my beauty blender wet, and then I'm just going to give it a scrub. I don't even know if this is actually going to work, because this is, oh okay, it's working. It's dirty. Oh, I broke my beauty blender. Okay, this is definitely for brushes. Oh, that went everywhere. These are really hard to clean. I usually just get a new one because I don't tend to buy like super expensive ones. I just buy the Real Technique ones, which are about £7, but then you can get them in discount stores like TK Maxx or the American TJ Maxx for like £3. So this is my dirty water. Wow. I'm gonna go rinse my beauty blender in some clean water and see how that's come out. Okay, so it's come out like this. It's still a bit dirty, to be fair. And I'm going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute. So the beef blend is done. It's been in the microwave for 1 minute and it says to leave it to cool down. So while that's cooling, I thought I'd just explain with my beautiful gloves why I haven't been filming recently as much as I'd love to. And it's kind of bittersweet, like for a few reasons. Like firstly, I do actually go to uni, and as like a lot of you know, whoever goes to like school, college, uni, whatever, because of this coronavirus, we're not able to actually go into these places. So we've had to do it all at home now, which has been a big adjustment, a bit strange. And I've actually had 3 exams in the course of 2 weeks, and they've all been online based. They've been very accommodating, they've given us extra time. I don't know, there's probably a lot of people like this, but if I'm given 48 hours to do something, I mean, if it's something, you know, not that important, I'd do it quick and get it done. But with an exam for uni, I like to spend the whole 48 hours, whether that be, you know, do it for a couple of hours and then not come back to it right until the end or whatever. But I will not submit this essay until the, like, literally 10 minutes until the end, where there's like no like going back. You know, you've got to submit it, there's no changing it now, because I'd hate to submit it and have, I don't know, 10 hours left and then be like, oh, I didn't put that or whatever. So that was literally like 3 sets of 48 hours. That's basically 6 days taken out of my, so that's like a whole week. And then actually last week it was my birthday as well, on the 19th, and typically I had an exam on my birthday. So I tried to celebrate my birthday a little bit, and I went for, well, do you know what, I'm going to do a whole separate video on like my birthday in quarantine and what I did, as well as like some of the presents and bits I got to share with you guys. So we'll save that for another video. So there is that to come, but I am actually just waiting for one of my other presents to arrive because it's makeup and I want to like try it out on video to show you what I got and just to see, you know, can you not? I'm doing a video here. It's a bit rude, thanks. But yeah, and then on top of all of that, I was actually really fortunate enough, being like in quarantine and having nothing to do, and everyone's, you know, if you've had a part-time job or whatever, or if you've got a full-time job, either being furloughed or it's just not an essential job. But luckily I was able to get a job, and I now work at a company called McCall's, and it's basically like a store slash a news agent, and I'm really enjoying it there. And I've been working there now for about 3 weeks, so I did like a week of training and stuff, and then I've been working there 2 weeks alongside doing my exams and my birthday. So that's kind of the reason why I haven't really had a chance to video for a while. But yeah, I'm really enjoying work. It's a bit it is a bit scary, the fact that, you know, you're in an environment with lots of people coming in and out, and it's just like heightening the chance that I could get COVID-19. But we'll take precautions, you know, we wear, these are my gloves, like some of the gloves I wear for work. We have masks and things, and we try and keep a 2 meter distance, so that's all good. But that's really basically, guys, the reason that I haven't done a video, and I've been yearning to do it for so long, but I've literally not done one for 2 weeks. I tell a lie, I have done some videos, like I film them, I just have not had time to sit down and edit them, because that's the longest part. You can film a video and like, I could film this in 20 minutes, then to actually sit down, I make so many mistakes in my videos. I'm like not very good with my words, so I have to cut so much out. And yeah, this is why like, doing a really informal video is just really bizarre to me, because like, there's not going to be hopefully too much to cut out, but there's going to be so much where I'm like, oh, I really want to retake that, like this is not good. But it's not happening, because if I don't do a video now, then I don't know when I will. So yeah, all my exams are done. Like, it's bittersweet. Ow! Oh, that really hurt. Oh, what do you mean? Go away. Ow. Okay. But yeah, so guys, that is why I've literally not done a video in so long, and I'm getting back to it now. I've been posting regularly, like promised, at least once a week. I really enjoy doing them. I just literally haven't had the time. I've had to like put my studies first, but they're all done now. So thank you for being patient. Okay, I think this is cool now. Hope it's worked, because if it doesn't, I don't have a beauty blender. Wow, guys, I am honestly shook. This is so clean. If I compare this, I mean, yeah, it's got like a little bit up here. And to be fair, some of the videos I've seen, for some reason, like at the end, it still has some product on it. But compared to this one, which is like really quite still dirty, and I got a rip in it, which I'm sad about. It's so clean. So it actually smells clean as well. It doesn't smell super soapy. And I'm gonna give this a thorough wash. Guys, go and do this. This took like a minute, and I'd be there forever scrubbing my beauty blender with this stuff. And I'm sure, I mean, I need to get some proper beauty blender cleansing or whatever. But this, honestly, revolutionary. Guys, thank you so much for joining me on this video. I've had a lot of fun trying out this hack, and there's many more that I want to try with my brushes. I'm so tired. I think I might go back to bed. So guys, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I promise you I'll be back with so much more content. I won't leave you dry for another 2 weeks. Subscribe to join the family, see lots more content like this, and I think that's it. Like, subscribe, and comment on what you would like to see, future content, and I will see you on my next video, guys. Thank you so much.